Okay, at your request, I'll try to less only 15 rupees, ma'am.
No, it is very costly for me because it is out of my budget.
No, ma'am, it comes in your budget, ma'am. Please try to understand.
No, I cannot take this.
It's sweets on you, and
No,
it
no,
has
I
a great
cannot take
qualities,
this
ma'am.
because you also make the.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the world where you learn the language English and the art of public speaking. And this is me, Vicky here, an English speaking trainer as well as public speaking trainer. Today I'm looking a little bit different, stranger. No, not at all. I'm not a stranger for you all. This is me, Vicky here. Okay. You often see me in formal pants, shirt, suit, tie, and some formal shoes. But today I got dressed, informal shirt, jeans, and informal shoes. You know why? There is a reason behind it. So let you clear about all these things, like why are we here and what are we about to do. Let me tell you one thing. You have already seen the title, so I do not have to tell you so many things. I have to tell a little bit things. Okay, so you have already seen the title, like shopping etiquette. How should we do shopping? The first thing, like you know very well, like how should we do shopping in our language. Either it will be Hindi, Punjabi, Tamil, or any language. From where do you just belong, you know very well like how to do shopping in that language. But when it comes to do shopping in America, in London, or at that place where the people don't know like your language, like Hindi, Tamil, or any more language, so there is a language which is found that is common, that English. So with the help of English language you can easily do shopping. And today we all are just gathered here for an act, not me. The trainees, they all are sitting and they are just going to present an act in front of you, and with the help of this act they are just going to show you how should we do shopping in English. Yes guys, are you ready?
Yes,
sir. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Say yes or no? Yes, sir. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Let's give it up for everyone. Okay. Let's watch like what kind of phrases should we use in English. Okay, I'm very curious to be here. What about you? Come on, Ravi.
First of all, I would say thank you so much, sir. And good morning, sir. And good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Well, my name is Ravi. I'm going to play the role of a shopkeeper, and he's my friend. He's going to play the role of as a worker, and they are going to play the role of customer care. So let's begin for them.
Pick up the phone, Shalini. Where are you? Pick up the phone, please. Where are you, Shalini?
Oh, and Harshita is calling me. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Harshita.
Yeah, Shalini, where are you?
I'm here at my home. And where are you?
I'm in the front of Kolkata Bazaar. Can you join me?
Yes, of course. It's a big opportunity for me.
Okay, please come here within 2 minutes. I am waiting for you.
Okay.
Hi, Shalini.
Hello, Harshita.
Is it going?
I'm fantastic. And you?
I'm also fantastic. And what about your family?
My family also good.
Okay, we should go to shopping.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
What can I do for you, ma'am?
Do you have any watch?
Yes, ma'am. I have a watch. Which brand do you like to prefer?
I like to see some Sonata or Titan brand.
I have Sonata, ma'am.
Okay. You can show this.
Yes. Himanshu sir, please show them.
Okay, sir. Have it this, ma'am.
It is very pretty. And what is the price of it?
It is 1,000 rupees, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what is the quality of it?
Ma'am, it has a great quality. It has a great quality. It's waterproof, and the black color is shade of black color, and it is trending right now in this time everybody using it.
Okay. Is it waterproof?
Yes, ma'am. It is.
Okay, that's good. What is your opinion of it?
It's a very pricey, ma'am. But you should buy this watch.
Okay. I think that it is very costly.
No,
So,
ma'am, it is not very costly. Try to understand.
okay, I'm not like this. Do you have any more watch?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay, please show
Thank
me.
you. Show them some more watches.
Okay, sir. Yeah, this one, ma'am.
Okay, this is very good and fantastic watch. Okay, what is the price of it?
Ma'am, it has 800 rupees.
Okay, it is 800 rupees. Okay, what is the quality of it?
Ma'am, it has a great qualities also. It is waterproof and it has a little pieces of colors and also has a Sonata companies. And give you a hand, ma'am. Look at this. What a nice, beautiful color. It's just sweet is on you.
Okay.
Let's see. See.
Yeah, it is looking very pretty. What is your opinion?
It's a very nice. It's a very beautiful on your hand.
Okay. Do you have any discount for it?
Sorry, ma'am. I can't give you any discounts. It is only 800 rupees.
Okay.
It is fixed priced.
But I want to make some discount for it.
Sorry, ma'am. I can't.
Please, I think you should give any discount for it because it is very costly.
Okay, at your request, I'll try to less only 15 rupees, ma'am.
No, it is very costly for me because it is out of my budget.
No, ma'am. It comes in your budget, ma'am. Please try to understand.
No, I cannot take this.
It's sweets on you. And
No,
it
no,
has
I
a great
cannot
qualities,
take this
ma'am.
because you also make some discount for it. It
Yes,
is very
I mean-
costly.
It is not very costly, ma'am. Try to
No, I
understand. It
cannot
has
purchase it.
a great color and a waterproof. It is trending in this time right now.
No, I cannot purchase.
Okay, at your behest, I'll try to set like. Okay, 100 rupees more. I'll try to less it out.
Okay, that's good. So, what do you think?
I think you purchased that.
Okay, so you pack this. Okay.
Excuse me. Do you have any motivational book for reading?
Yes, ma'am. I have a motivational books. Which one do you like and which writers you like?
You show me. You have any motivational video? You show me.
Yes, ma'am. I have so many books.
Okay.
Himanshu sir, please show them some books.
Okay, sir. Yeah, this one, ma'am. You can show. And ma'am, this is also.
Okay. This is the great book. And what about this book?
It's a very nice book for reading.
And what is the price of both of the book?
Ma'am, it has 500 and it is 400.
Okay, it is 500 and 400. Okay. What do you think? Which book is great?
I think you should purchase that book.
Okay.
This-
Do you know about it?
No. It's a very good for reading, and you should purchase this book.
Okay. Okay, you pack this.
Look at man. This is the greatest power of your mind. It has a qualities, and everyone used to using it this to keep their stress away from that by using this book. And you
Okay.
can use it, and it has a 400 rupees,
Okay.
and it has a sorry, ma'am. It is 500 and it is 400 rupees, and that is
Okay.
why.
Okay, you pack this. Okay. Do you have any cell phone?
Sorry, ma'am. We do not sell cell phones.
Okay. Do you have any bag?
But sorry, ma'am. We don't.
Do
sell.
you have any bag?
Bag? Yes, sure, ma'am. I have a bag.
Okay,
Show
please
them,
show me.
please.
Yeah, take it, ma'am. And see.
Okay. This is good. And do you have any more bag?
Yeah, I have, ma'am. Yeah, this one, ma'am.
This is looking very good. And what is the price of both of the bag?
This it is only 500 rupees and this is only 400 rupees, ma'am.
Okay. Why are you selling this bag in 500 and this bag in 400?
Because this is waterproof, ma'am. And when you are wear this bag, you are feeling comfort. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this bag is not waterproof.
No, ma'am. This is not waterproof.
Okay. Do you have any discount for it?
No, ma'am. Bag has no any discount.
No, I think you. No, I think you should give any discount for it.
No, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. But
It is look good, but I think that you try to make me fool because it is not in because there is no anywhere when I go, then its price is very cheap, but you sell me you sell me in costly price.
no, ma'am. This is not right. This bag is very good. When you are purchase this bag, any problem in this bag, I will return. You will return to me.
Okay, if this bag is bad, I will return you.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay, you pack this.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any more any more things for sale?
Which type, ma'am?
Just like pen and a cell phone, etc.
No, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any idea where is the medical store?
Yes, ma'am. I have an idea. It is right there. Just came out of the shop and just take a left, and it would be right there.
Okay, thank you. Please calculate all the price of my things and tell me what is the price of it.
Yeah, this is sir.
$200 and the power of your mind 500. It is only 1200, ma'am.
Okay, it is only 1200. Okay, how can I pay this? By UPI or by cash?
Any game, ma'am, you can do. Yeah, here is a.
I am able to pay by UPI.
Yes, sure, ma'am, you can.
Okay, I can pay for. Can I pay by QR code?
Yeah, so, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I paid of money. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And thank you for coming.